how to buy Solami token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, and before going on buy this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 1,000 members there. Now this token, it's available on the screener. It created 19 hours ago and increased by 11,000% in the last 24 hours. So to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet for that. After that, click here on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token and here click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this is also going to click on this and now click on I understand. So now here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive, as you can see here. Now scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find here swap. Now click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter or OKX provider page to complete the buy process. So it's easy and simple. This is how to buy Solami token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.